He's on his own and everyone's against him.
He's going to break it to you.
Yep, so basically that is it. I will have this, and I can go full auto.
So this was Zach's birthday game at Shadow on Airsoft. Amazing place down in Derby. My first time there. Zach's been quite a few times. As you've heard, Zach's just picked up a minigun and decided to come up with a little game. So let's check that out.
So, you guys attack me, you take your hits, you go back to respawn, but I don't. I keep coming until I get fed up. I'm thinking of sitting in there for the first what's it, letting them run down and then shoot them all in the back.
Right, we go and place yourself in there. It's your game, your rules.
Everybody, 3, 2, 1, get up!
Yeah, go on.
Go on, yeah.
Yeah!
Brilliant, innit? It didn't even flinch, so he's literally just walking.
Hold on, mate. Yeah! Hold on.
I saw everybody wrong.
The amount of people I got right in the arse. I turned around to you, I was like, you know what, fuck it, chuck it on binary. Fucking right up.
I've run out of bullets.